So this is the PDF file that we are going to edit today. So for that, open Microsoft Word and drag and drop your PDF file here and click on OK. It's converted, so now you can make any changes. Now to convert it back into a PDF file, click on File and then go to Save As and select the location. Now rename your PDF file. And select the Save As type to PDF and click on Save. See, now my PDF's converted and it's pretty nice and the way I wanted it to be. So this is the same PDF file, and the second method is you have to first open Google Chrome, head to the following website. In this website you can do is edit only you can edit 3 PDFs per hour. So that's, I guess, enough and good for my use. You can upload your PDF. You can make changes. You can annotate the screen. For example, you can strike out certain sentences, you can highlight some, or you can highlight them. And you can also underline, and you can do many more things with it. You can just draw any symbol or anything as you like. Add shapes to your PDF. You can write out certain parts. Add your signature. I had already made this one, so you can make your new signature here. For example, you can make anything, upload images and also draw. I have already put the signature. You can add images. I am adding the one already there. You can browse through your computer to get one. That's it, and there are many more things you can do with this online editor. And now we click on apply changes. This is the preview of the PDF that we have just created with all the annotations. Now just simply download. Here the PDF file is downloaded, and here it has everything that we created: our annotations, strikes, highlights, underline, boxes, signature, etc., and everything.